Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 fiber cleaning kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 12-piece set fiber cleaning tools. Specifications. Brand name, Libi 2. Origin, Mainland China. The item number 4 is Fiber Optic Tool Kit SKL6C/AWA7S. Specifications. Brand name, Link Zungsing. Size, 10x10x10. Fiber type, single mode. Connector type, SC/UPC. Item length, 1 meter. Model number, Toolkit. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, none. As the item number 3 we've selected, Fiber Toolkit Fiber Optic with Fiber Optica 10 MW power. Specifications. Brand name, Link Zungsing. Fiber type, single mode. Compatible, Ubiquiti, Transition Networks, Customized Brands. Connector type, SC/UPC. Item length, 1 meter. Model number, Toolkit. Origin, Mainland China. The item number 2 is FTTH Fiber Optic Toolkit G10 Power Meter. Specifications. Brand name, Yi Blue Link. Fiber type, single mode. Item length, 1 meter. Origin, Mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have FTTH Fiber Optic Tool Kit with Fiber Cleaver. Specifications. Brand name, Libi 2. Origin, Mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.